Hey everyone! Welcome to the very first episode of The Reading Expedition. I'm so excited to kick off this book-loving journey with you. Today, I'll be reviewing a book that's got dragons, danger, and a destiny that could change the whole world. Of course, I'm talking about the first book in a 15-part saga, The Wings of Fire, The Dragonet Prophecy by Tui T, Sutherland. This first book in the Wings of Fire series introduces us to 5 young dragonets: Clay, Tsunami, Glory, Sunny, and Starflight, who've been raised in secret to fulfill the mysterious prophecy that might finally put an end to the terrible war between the dragon tribes. But when they realize that their protectors might actually be their captors, they decide to break free and take destiny into their own claws. It's a thrilling story of heart-racing action, secret hideouts, unexpected betrayal, and dragons learning who they really are. I couldn't put it down. One of my favorite parts was the entire arena scene with Queen Scarlet. It was intense, super dangerous, and really showed how brave the Dragonets had to be. You never knew what happened next, and that made it totally addictive. I really like Starflight. He's smart, curious, and totally obsessed with reading, just like me. I was honestly surprised by how complex the dragon tribes are. They each have their own rules, powers, and problems. I wasn't expecting so much world building. It made everything feel so real. Okay, if I had to rate this book, I'd give it a whopping 4.7 out of 5 Dragonet. If you like big adventures, stories about unlikely heroes, or books where friendship saves the day, you're going to love this book. It's perfect for fans of Percy Jackson, The Last Firehawk, or even How to Train Your Dragon. Seriously, if you're into dragons or fantasy, this book is calling your name. So, have you read this book yet? What did you think? Should I review Book 2, The Lost Heir next? Or should I flap over to another series entirely? Thanks so much for watching the very first episode of The Reading Expedition. Thank you for watching my book review. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another adventure with me and my book. Until next time, keep reading, keep dreaming, and keep soaring. Bye!